Welcome to screencast number 3 on Google Sites. Today we're going to talk about making a new page on your Google site. Here I am at the new site that I created, and as you can see I only have the one page, my home page. I haven't added any new pages yet. We talked about making sure that you're logged in to your site so that you have the editing tools choices across the top. If you don't see these, verify that you are logged into your Google site. I'm going to add a new page, and to do that I'm going to click on the new page button. It takes me to a place where I have to make some choices, and remember that this site you're creating is for your online portfolio, and you need to put all of your portfolio examples here. Remember, the portfolio is to create a space where you're putting your examples of student-centered lessons or classroom practices for the different Google applications that we talk about. So as you build your Google site, you're going to want to have a page for Google Documents, a page for Google Forms, a page for Google Spreadsheet, a page for Google Calendar, etc. But you also need to have a page for a bibliography, because as you add resources, maybe images, videos, other content to your site, you want to make sure that your citing the correct information there and giving credit where credit is due. So I'm going to make a bibliography page. So I'm going to type in the name of the page as bibliography. We're going to select a template, and we see we have 5 different choices: web page, announcements, file cabinet, list, start page. For the most part, your pages are going to just be web page. We'll talk about the other 4 a little bit later on in a different screencast. We also need to select a location for our page. We need to decide if we're going to put it at the top level or if we're going to put it nested under home. And I'm going to leave my page for right now at the top level. I'm going to click create, and then it's going to take me to that new page, and it's going to automatically put me into editing mode. So you can see the page is, the title of the page is bibliography, which also corresponds to the title in the navigation bar. And you can see that I have a simple 1-column text editing area where I can add information. So since this is my bibliography page, I'm just going to put bibliography as the title at the top. I'm going to then just put a bulleted list. And right now I'm just going to type some characters just as a placeholder. And then when I come back and I add images, videos, etc., I can then come back and put the URL of the image that I found or any content of a website that I might have found. Once I'm ready to save the changes to my bibliography page, I'm just going to click Save in the top right-hand corner, and now I have a new page that's been created. Again, to edit that page, I'm going to come to that page using the left-hand navigation bar, and I'm going to click the pencil at the top to begin editing the page, and then I can add any content that I need to there.